سيدات والسادة الأفاضل السلام عليكم ورحمة الله. Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Thank you for joining me today. My name is Walid Ali. I'm a digital government specialist at MOTC Qatar, and I'm also digital innovation ecosystem builder, focusing on digital transformation, emerging technologies, fintechs, and building society 5.0. Today, we would like to talk about digital transformation and the future of banking. Digital transformation is adoption of disruptive technologies to increase productivity, value creation, and also for social welfare for our customers, our citizens, or anyone who is interacting with our digital services. As we can see on the screen, different sectors adopted different technologies and built different digital transformation strategies to improve their customer experience, to achieve operational excellence, or to resource reusability. So all these sectors are working with banking sector that put pressure on the sector to adopt digital transformation strategies and to keep up with the consumer demand and customers' needs. That's why in today's world, we see all the major banks around the globe providing their services online through their websites or through their applications, mobile applications. This is what we call digital services of banking sector. So users can log in and do some banking transaction, from paying bills, paying credit cards, apply for a loan, or just check their balance. In 2020, when COVID hit, the global economy shrank by 5%. But on the other hand, adoption of digital banking services increased due to lockdowns, movement restrictions. Also, wireless payment solved the social distance issues, and financial companies, knowing that working from home is the new normal, they start to build remote work models. So this accelerates a bit the digital transformation agenda in the banking sector, we can say. But is it enough for today users' demand? According to Britt King, futurist and author of Bank 4.0, number of people having digital banks accounts will be more than people who ever walked into a physical bank branch by 2025. So to understand the future of banking, let's look back or look at the past, where companies like Amazon, Netflix, and Uber changed e-commerce, entertainment, and transportation sectors by using technology. Buying and selling is not the same online because of Amazon. Watching TV is not the same because of the on-demand entertainment application. And moving from point A to B is not the same because of services like Uber and ride-sharing services. Also, we see technology giants like Apple and Google providing financial and payment solutions. Even Uber provided their customers with Uber Money, which is an e-wallet. So why is that? Because technology is moving very fast. Customers' needs is also developing, and there is a gap. So technology companies jumped in and trying to fill the gap. And it's actually anticipated that the next big digital bank will not be a bank, it will be a technology company. So how can banks transform, and how can banks become digital by nature to compete and survive in this ecosystem? According to PwC, this is the journey banks need to take to transform from front end only to digital native. So most banks today are in the second stage, but what we will need for the future is to go digital native. So this will allow them to have or to provide banking experience designed based on customers' need. Also will have a convenience and less time consuming banking processes, and also will allow them to provide tailored product to their customers on real time. Types of digital banks we have is the direct banks. It's a digital-only bank launched by an incumbent institution. And the second kind that we have is the neobank, which are the fintechs. So they don't have bank charter, but they leverage or rent bank charters. And the third one is the challenger banks. Those are exclusively mobile, providing unique customer experience and going beyond the traditional bank's product. So how today's technology help us build tomorrow's digital banks? We have the cloud technologies. By nature, they are subscription-based, and they are scalable, flexible, and also it's very fast to manage your infrastructure for your core banking systems. The security is very high because these services usually provided by specialized cloud providers, where they are putting security at the top priority. And using cloud technologies actually can accelerate innovation because it will shift the focus to personalized customer experience rather than operating IT solutions or IT systems. APIs will allow us to have the open banking where customers can have more control on their data and how they use it or how they share it. And it will also allow us to integrate with third parties applications and have banking as a service in place. Blockchain technology, the technology can help us develop cross-border payment in almost real time. Also, we see many countries now, they are heading to the direction of having their own cryptocurrencies. And also blockchain will provide us with identity management and increase the trust in our digital bank services. Big data analytics will provide more, deeper, and faster insight on users' profiling and risks. This will allow personalized product and generate of new revenue streams by delivering offers at the point of decision. For example, if you are walking into a store and you are checking out some goods you would like to buy, but you don't have enough credit, your bank will know based on your location, based on your profile, if they can offer you a top-up on your credit card or on your loan, so you can be able to afford these goods. And artificial intelligence is also leverage this data to automate risk management without any human interaction or interfere. So this kind of risk management and risk analysis will be done by algorithms, and we need the artificial intelligence to build intelligent chatbots and banking virtual assistant, where our banking experience will be very different. It will be based on a conversation with our virtual assistant to either pay bills or invest in some stocks, but by only having a natural language conversation with our virtual assistant or smart virtual assistant. So to summarize this, the best way to put it is to say that the future of banks is digital banks. And thank you so much.